Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few typical practice sums which are related to finding square root by prime factorization method. Let's solve the first. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Now if we look here, we want a number which is divisible by these numbers, which means that number is multiple of them and it is multiple of all of them, means it's a common multiple. Again, we want the smallest, so it has to be lowest common multiple. So first let's find LCM of these numbers. The first factor 2, 9 comes as it is, 5 here, 2 is still factor of this number here, so 1, 9 and 5 come as it is. Now let's look at the next prime factor, 3. Is it a factor? Yes, 3 is a factor of 9. And 5. So we got the LCM. Okay, so LCM we got, but LCM is not the perfect square number because we see here we have only these two numbers in pair. This is not in pair. So to make this in pair, we can multiply this by 5. We can also divide, but if we divide, it will not be divisible by 4, 9 and 10 because this is the lowest common multiple. So we have to go higher, we cannot go below that. So we have to multiply by 5 and therefore we will multiply this, whatever we have, by one more 5 so that it is a square now, and that is equal to 900. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Now we know that because the number which we want should be divisible by them, that number is multiple of these numbers and multiple of all of them, which means common multiple. Also we are looking at the smallest number, so it has to be lowest common multiple. So let's find the LCM first. The first factor 2, yes, there are two even numbers, so 2 is a factor. 15 comes as it is. There is still 1, 2 here, so 2 is a factor. Now 2 is not a factor, but I can see that 3 is a factor. And now only factor is 5. So the LCM is equal to, if we look, we have only one pair, 2 into 2. This 2 needs another 2, this needs another 3, this needs another 5. So to get the square number, we have to find the multiple of this LCM and we have to multiply LCM by 2, 3 and 5. We can divide it by these 3 and we can find, but then that won't be a LCM of this or the CM, common multiple of this. Hence we have to multiply. All of them, plus we need to multiply them 2, 3 and 5. So we have multiplied by these 3 numbers. And now we get, if you see here, we get pairs. So we are getting these pairs and hence the number would be I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.